How to apply job in McDonald's online. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your preferred browser and then search for apply job in McDonald's. You will see several options. You will have to go for McDonald's restaurant jobs and then go to restaurant jobs, or if you want corporate career simply select this one, but if you want restaurant jobs go over here. You can change a region or location as per your requirement, and then you will just have to fill up these what you are looking for and what positions do you look for, and simply tap on the restaurant search restaurant opportunities, and if there are any you will be able to apply it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.